How to log out of Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see an icon of an arrow going through a box, which is the logout icon. Click on it and a confirmation box will appear that asks you, are you sure you want to log out? Click on logout and you will be signed out of your account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can log out from a Discord account. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. And with that said, see you in the next video.